I think we have helped in many areas. With our CARDIS framework, we developed solution concepts addressing the digitization. Let me give you one example. One of our products is called CARDIS Marketing Analytics and Automation. So what we do is we analyze, based on the DMS invoice data, the customer's purchase behavior of the past and cluster it in different segments to show the dealer how much money he's losing. Means we show the dealer in each segment what is his current revenue and what could be his potential revenue, assuming that all of his customers are 100% loyal. Loyal means that the customers are doing all the main services like general inspections, tires and wheels, wear and tear at his car dealership. In a second step, we target these different clusters with personalized and tailored campaigns to fill the gap between the current revenue and the potential revenue. Twice a year we are sitting together with the dealer and do the marketing planning with him. And throughout the year we manage all his marketing campaigns. The fulfillment is completely handled by us, and the dealer only has to approve the selected participants of each campaign based on predefined filters and the final campaign design. So after roughly 2 months, we close the campaign in the system and execute the success evaluation. So we are mainly analyzing how high is our conversion rate, what is our total revenue versus cross-selling revenue. Cross-selling means the customers either didn't buy the product we advertised but still showed up in our showroom, did a service and bought something else, or the customers had additional spending on top of the product we advertised and which they bought. All this and even more is shown in a comprehensive report out of the system. So we have all the campaigns from all dealers. This also helps us to show benchmarks by region and also globally to the dealers and to the NSC, so we can consult them to refine certain marketing strategies. The dealers love our solution as it increases their revenue, and they can outsource all the marketing processes to us. Hence they can focus on what they like and do best, selling and servicing cars. And the NSC loves our product as it streamlines all processes within one platform, provides an holistic view, and it interfaces with their internal systems, which helps to create an even more comprehensive profile of each customer. So we have markets in which we could increase the campaign revenue by up to 200% after we implemented CARDIS Marketing Analytics and Automation. So I would say it's data. Data will be the new currency for the automotive industry. When I look into the RFPs we are currently receiving and also what we started as MCON 6 years ago with our after-sales platform Fair Garage, it's data. Every company should have understood by now that data will be king. Companies are analyzing what data they can collect, what data do they already have, and how to monetize this data. Let me give you an example. I mentioned our automotive platform Fair Garage. A customer can go online, specifies his vehicle, for example via the brand model tree or via entering his vehicle identification number, selects the service repair, for example replacement of brake pads, click submit, and will receive a list of dealers, each of them with an exact calculated price offer, plus the distance to the dealer, pictures of the repair shop, and customer reviews. And we as MCON, we collect a transaction fee for every successful online booking. But what we realized in a second step is even more valuable. It's the data itself. We added a field to ask the customers to optional fill in their current mileage, and every second person is doing it. So with 1 million visitors per month on our platform, we collect thousands of vehicles, the exact configuration, plus the mileage linked to the service repair need of this car. Meaning we can create a model, which we already started, to predict future repairs, the probability and the costs. Various industries and companies show interest in this knowledge. Well, I could talk a lot more about all this, but I think we are running out of time. Important to remember is that MCON is automotive professionals' best friend. Meaning we are not simply selecting our services and products to make money, but to help automotive professionals like automakers, dealer groups and dealers to win the change towards digitization and to gain competitive advantage. So I'm looking forward to see you all again in my next video when I tell a little bit more about Japan. Thank you.